हेलो दोस्तों। तो ये जो नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यूशन वीडियो है, इसमें हम लोग देख रहे हैं अभी थर्मल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर का PYQs, जो कि जे एडवांस के पेपर से लिया गया है। आपको अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें कि ऑब्वियस सी बात है, अगर आप माइन्यूट ऑब्जर्वेशन करोगे तो यू विल बी फाइंडिंग दैट द कंसेप्ट विल बी it will be better for you to go through the, if you see the video, you will realize it, that it will develop your thinking ability, and due to which you can have better exam in J Advanced 2023. So let's have the look of this question, which is asked in 2019, and it was paper 1. Let's see the question, which is, it is given to you that a current carrying wire heats a metal rod. So current carrying wire is heating the metal rod, here it is, and the wire provides a constant power. The wire in which the current is flowing, that is providing a constant power it is to the rod. So power here it is, this is constant, this is important. And the metal rod is enclosed in a insulated container. So wherever we have that metal rod which is enclosed there in a insulated container, it is observed that the temperature T in the metal rod changes with the time T. So this is the temperature variation in the metal rod, what you can say. This is, it is observed that the temperature in the metal rod changes with time. So this temperature, and it is depending upon the time, as you know that the process will start, the time will start changing, and the time will start changing means temperature will always change. So temperature is, this is the temperature of the metal rod, which always changes with respect to the time. This is the important relation here, it is given to you, where beta is a constant with appropriate dimension, and while the T naught, this beta is constant and the T naught is a constant with dimension of temperature. So here this T naught, here you can see this is the temperature. The heat capacity of the metal will be what? So this is the question ask you, that heat capacity of that metal will be what when a current carrying wire is providing heat to the metal rod. So in that condition, what will be the heat capacity of the wire, of the of the metal rod? So to find heat capacity, one should have the idea how you can relate heat capacity with the rate of heat transfer through the metal rod it is. तो ये चीज आपको सबसे पहले इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग देखते हैं क्या करेंगे। तो जो रेट होगा किसका, रेट ऑफ हीट फ्लो का जो रेट होगा थ्रू द मेटल रॉड, ये क्या होना चाहिए। और इसी के बेसिस पे आप ये जो पूछा जा रहा है आपको कि बताओ बच्चा हीट कैपेसिटी क्या होगा मेटल रॉड का। तो मेटल रॉड का हीट कैपेसिटी क्या, हमें अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम इसी रिलेशन के बेसिस पे इसको बिल्डअप करेंगे। दिस इज व्हाट वी विल बिल्ड अप हियर। तो सबसे जो इसमें हम लोग इस फॉर्म को यूज करेंगे, दिस इज कॉल्ड रेट ऑफ हीट फ्लो थ्रू द मेटल रॉड इज dq बाय dt, dq बाय dt। और dq बाय dt जो होता है, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर हैविंग, दैट हीट कैपेसिटी c, एंड देन दैट इट इज dt बाय dt, c dt। तो हम जानते हैं कि q जो होता है, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर हैविंग ms एंड mc डेल्टा t, इट इज दिस वन। तो अगर mc को इंक्लूड कर लिया जाएगा, दिस विल बी कॉल्ड हीट कैपेसिटी व्हिच we have written here, and this is the change in temperature. If we will go for differential part, it will be dt. So once you divide with the time both side, it will be dq by dt, and this is dt by dt. So this term is included over there, that I said here, it is called heat capacity. So this C is the heat capacity, which actually we are looking to find out. How we can find out this one? Now you can see. So this dq and dt is nothing but it is rate of heat flow. So this you can say that it is the power only which is given there in the question, that it is constant. It is constant. This is given in the question, and very first line it is given to you that current carrying wire hits a metal rod and the wire provides a constant power to the rod. So this is the constant power what is given by the current carrying wire. Here it is to the metal rod it is, and from there you can realize that there you can see here grid capacity we can find out from here. But there is one thing it is given to you in the question that the temperature is dependent here. Temperature is dependent. So what will be the, here it will be from this relation what we can have this temperature relation. It is given to you that it is this relation we are given to T is equal to T naught and then 1 plus of beta times of T to the power 1 by 4. This is the temperature it is given. So once you, this function is of time it is, so we can differentiate here dt by dt. That is why it is given to you. So this first term will be T naught, that will be called as constant value, so it will be 0. Then the second value it will be T naught times beta, then it will be 1 by 4 and then beta to the power 1 by 4 minus of 1. So this will be what we are having dt by dt, and this you can write it as T naught and then beta divided by 4, and then we have T to the power, this is minus of 3 by 4. So this term we are having dt by dt, this I am considering to be equation 2 here, and then the first this option, this equation we are considering here 1. So from 1 and 2 you can see we are looking to have this this what we are looking to have the value of C. So you can see P is equal to P, and then from 1 and 2 we can write here from 1 and 2 what we are having this this value is dt by dt, so I am multiplying C with this term, so C, and then we are having this dt by dt, so this term we are having it is T naught the multiplied by beta divided by 4, and then T to the power of minus of 3 by 4, and this will be what we are having power it is. So this what we are looking to find here it is C value, C value. But can we relate the P value here? So we can relate the P value. Yes, we can relate. So first we find the C value. It will be, it is 4 times of power divided by T naught times of beta, and then this T to the power it will be 3 by 4. So T to the power 3 by 4. Now this is the C value, but this function is given you what the result we are getting here. This result is in terms of time it is. But if you see the option that we have no time option. So what you can do here, तो इस केस में आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि जब टाइम के ऑप्शन में नहीं दिया गया है तो वी हैव टू एलिमिनेट दिस टाइम. हाउ you can eliminate this time? You can eliminate from this relation only, the relation it is given to you. So from this relation you can see what we can write about the time. What will be the time here from here, this relation? So it is T, then it will be minus this T minus of T naught divided by T naught times of beta. This is what we are having, and then it to the power of what you can say 4. This will be T here it is. So T minus of T naught by T naught times beta. This is I have written on the basis of this function variability. It is temperature and time dependency. This once you open the bracket, T naught will be multiplied in the both term here and here, and then you take left side, so T minus T naught divided by T naught times of beta, and then you make the fourth power over there both side it will be, so this will be T, and here we have T, to T minus of T naught by T naught into B. So you can replace this time to be like that only. It is 4P divided by T naught times of beta. Then this time, this will be T time will be replaced by the equation. It is T minus of what we are having T naught divided by T naught. So it is T minus of T naught divided by T naught, and then it is beta to the power 4. Beta to the power 4. So from here you can relate the equation which one we are having the equation. It is from here it will be This side we have having, this is, you can see here which option we are having. This option, matching option, you can check it out. In there will be any simplification, here it is. So from this relation, you can see this option we are having. It will be 4p divided by t naught times of beta. So it is 4p divided by t naught times of beta, then t to the power 3 by 4. So once you go for 3 by 4 here, this is 4. This it should be the power, here it is. This power will be 3 by 4. So this 4 and 4 get cancel out. So the final result we are having here, it will be, फाइनल रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा, लेट्स सी, 4p and divided by 4p divided by this cubic, so it is t cube b cube beta q, and this t naught and beta, so it will be t naught to the power 4, then beta to the power 4, and then we can write it as t minus of t naught to the power cube. So this is, I hope it, this should be the option which is there, and if this is the option, this will be the result. You can check it out which option we are having. This t is actually the t given to us here. This t is time of function t, this is, and then we have t naught, and then it is overall whole cube. Then so we can check the option, which option it is matching, that will be the result. You can say C, 4p beta. So C option we are having here, it is, and that will be the result. So the answer is option number C. We can say here what the option we are. I hope it is clear that I discussed all the things which is related. This question was not that much tougher. इसमें बस आपको ये चीज ध्यान रखना था कि हीट कैपेसिटी को हम लोग कैसे dq dt से रिलेट करें, and which is given, and then dt व dt को कैसे फिर हटाएं, जो कि टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंसी टाइम का रिलेशन दिया हुआ था, बस और कुछ था नहीं. यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई इट एंड यू कैन गेट द रिजल्ट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. थैंक यू.